Hi guys, Seven here. Welcome back. The building new infrastructure has recently become the top development priority for China. And like the China Premier Li Keqiang said, this project will help mobilize the effective investment and sustain the growth and enhance the people's well-being. So today here in this video, I will just briefly introduce three parts. The first one is what is the China New Infrastructure Plan? And the second, why Chinese government always prioritizes project. And third, how can foreign investors benefit from this project? So here let's begin. So first, what is the China's new infrastructure plan? According to the released report, the CCP announced that it will spend $1.4 trillion on digital infrastructure public spending program. And this project will include seven key areas: 5G networks, industrial internet, intercity transportation and rail system, data centers, AI, ultra-high voltage power transmission, and the last one, the new energy vehicle charging stations. And second, why China's government prioritizes this project? Here I won't mention any complicated numbers, and I will just share two obvious reasons: the more job creation and the more global influence. A main feature of this new infrastructure plan is their highly extended industry chains. So they will set the stage for the small and medium-sized businesses in the urban areas or even the business in the poor areas. So which means there are many opportunities, either the upstream or the downstream of the supply chains, and where they can participate. And it will directly create 3 million jobs by 2025. Another reason, more global influence. The competition of all major powers is actually the competition of their national strengths, and technology plays a vital role in national strength. So the China's national strength will be greatly improved with their advantages in the 5G, the AI, and the IoT, which is the Internet of Things. And it keeps saying that the innovation or the new infrastructure is really important for China to get more the global influence. So third, which sectors will be open to the foreign investors? Compared to the state-led investment that push in traditional infrastructure in the wake of the 2008 global financial crisis, the biggest distinction in 2020 is that in this time around, the government is much more reliant on the market forces and the private investments, which means that there are many more opportunities for business stakeholders to participate in the next phase of China's new development. But however, each sector will still see varying degrees of the government investment. For example, the research and satellite communications will have a high government investment ratio. Whereas the application development, the virtual reality, 3D printing, and the smart robot production will be comprised of private investment and have a relatively low industry barrier for the foreign investment. So the foreign investors, who invest in the encouraged list, that will be subject to the tariff exemptions and preferential land prices, the looser regulation of land uses, and the lower the corporate the income tax. So in summary, it is the right time to propose the development of new infrastructure in China. So for now, China has completed the initial stage of the traditional economic construction, but it still needs continuously improvement. So again, if you don't want anything about China, and please subscribe me, and I will keep sharing the true voice from China. Thanks for your time.